All right, how's it going? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make this fantastic zucchini, kusa, or courgette, whatever you call it, fried rice. It's very, very simple. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, tastes fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, nice and easy this one. So we've got 3 cups here of cooked rice. Cold cooked rice that was cooked yesterday, put in the refrigerator. Hot and cold rice. I don't find fries very well. That is 1 cup of onion, using white today. 3 cups of zucchini. I've cut them into semicircles, as you can see there, quite chunky. Cut them smaller, however you want. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And now a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, cumin, turmeric, chili powder. 1 tablespoon garlic. Let's go. So you're going to need a sort of large skillet or a wok type thing like I have here. In there I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You can use something different if you want. We're going to drop in there a couple of teaspoons of the cumin seeds. I've just put the heat on. It's on an above medium heat, fairly high. To that we're going to add our 1 cup of onion and our 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. Super stuff. Right, we're going to go in with our zucchini, kusa, courgettes, whatever you want to call them. You can see how I've cut them, and if you want, cut them a different shape or size. So for me, we're going to go for another 4 minutes on this highish heat. Once again, stirring often. That's great. Now, I'm quite happy to get a bit of a crunch on my zucchini. If you want, cook it a little bit longer. Let's go in with those spices. Let's take a look. 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, cumin, chili, turmeric. Stay on this nice vibrant heat. And then we're going to grab our 3 cups of cooked rice, basmati rice. Like I say, always like to use a nice cold one, cooked yesterday, put in the refrigerator. Always works out a little bit better if you ask me. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes, let's fry this rice. If we get a little bit of blackening or even browning on here, it adds to the flavor, I think. Don't skip this stage. Fry your rice. So I'm very much hoping you can hear that on the go. That is your rice frying. Give it a nice fry. Off goes the heat. That is beautiful. Really, really good. Okay, if you want some cilantro, coriander, spring onions. For me today, I'm going to go a little bit lemon juice. Then we're going to serve that. Fantastic. Okay, there you go. Super duper, really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.